to the word of God.
No, the pastor me love. Me never say a preacher can trace and chat people business like I do.
Okay.
And me's a diehard fella, you know, Capo. Me no care what I want to say. But how you is a carnal man and a false prophet, and how you lie on your teeth.
All right,
how
you.
They say how you licky and you love money, and how your mouth smell like a Rambo.
That's enough.
So if you love laugh, this is a video for you. We have a few plays lined up, guaranteed to make you laugh, so till you cough, your belly start hurt, your belly a bust. Anyways, me not go to talk out the thing. People them a cuss me in the comment section say, dog, yo, run the videos them you talk too much.
A very dear friend of mine told me about this place. And by the looks of things, it could be very promising. Bitter lemon, please. Good evening, ladies. I must say these are very pleasant surroundings.
Oh, I'm really sorry. Excuse me. Lord have mercy upon my soul.
Of all the bars and restaurants I could have chosen to come and have a quiet drink and meet a nice young lady, I had to come into one full of religious nuts. I don't know what the hell is going on in this world. Are these people using the Lord's name in vain?
Hi. My name's Mona. Do you mind if I take a seat?
By all means.
I noticed that you were alone here talking, and to me that means one of two things. One, either you're lonely, or two, you must be an actor rehearsing a part. I hope you don't mind me guessing.
What a man ugly, man. Or not ugly, I just buff teeth he have. The boss need braces and he need real braces. Matter of fact, braces can't help him teeth. He need a whole chain. You know a chain when they use and tie cow? And that him need to feed mouth. Anyways, this a woman take a liking into him. She see money print on the boss. Moving forward, we are continue watching.
I would say someone as interesting as you must be an actor. Am I right?
Well, you could be.
Look, I've never been wrong about a man. I feel as if we've known each other for years.
I know what you mean. I have a similar feeling. Would you excuse me for a moment while I go to the men's room? In the meantime, why don't you buy yourself a cocktail? I'll be right back. Yes. At last, a woman who can see me for myself. One who knows quality when she sees it.
Yo, the lady couldn't say ish. That's why she take a liking into him. Jaja. She need contact lens plus glasses to see the ugliness in front of her. Oh my God, poor thing.
Salmon, buddy. What's going on, man? Look like you freaking out there. All this right now, this drink here. Woo, that was good after a hard day. What happened? Is the problem? I could pay for this drink, you know.
It ain't that bad,
What the problem is?
I wake up late this morning, I'm going away, my boss fired me. Go in the parking lot, someone steal my car, the police said they can't help me. Catch a cab. The cab pull off in my wallet and my credit cards. Going inside the house, the garden in the bed with my wife. So I leave home, come to this bar, I say, come to end my life. And you come right here and drink my poison. Say what? What you said?
I dead you dead, brother. I dead you just dead. Dead you just goddamn dead. You see a stranger, having drink a drink, and you just take up the man drink and drink it, so in a real way you don't get a box in your face, but in a show you're dead. Moving forward.
Must watch.
Not yet, sir, not yet. Alright, tell her what I do. See ya, 1300. Can I go get the chicken at the betting shop? Chicken I sell last now, sir? You blasted idiot. The lady inside of the shop with the heavy bumper. Oh, so you know if you start what you mean, Alright, go on with that now and come back fast. Come back right away. No, me not gonna come back right away. Because me have a telegram for give my scale wife. Hold on. Handy, let me talk to you. Carry this money, I'll go get the chicken at the betting shop and come back right away. Okay? And I want you to follow my instruction carefully. Carry this, get the chicken at the betting shop. Tell her I see you want horse number 2, fan 3, and 3, fan 2. Yeah. Alright? Then you collect the voucher. Carry the telegram, go give my scale, the wife collect the telegram fee, and then you reach back here. What is the first thing you're going to when you leave here? Reach back here, sir.
Honestly, me there watch it and me couldn't follow the instruction. I fool me fool, or I dumb me dumb, or him just complicated with the instruction. No, Wani, just go on and scale it and don't come back. Cause if you come back without the horse ticket, them 2.3 and 3.4, it might beat you up. Moving forward.
Look, man, the last one up is sell out here. It's a blind me you know why you do out here sell.
Hey, stop it, boy, you get blind. No matter with that. Tell Desmond Mackenzie say, me say, I have a banner, you're going to yes, oh, yes, sell. I want to hear.
Right. You see you? It coming like you get a degree in a tracing.
Is he talking to me?
Yes, are you in my chat?
And you know the other thing about you, you have too much mouth.
And you have too much tongue, I mean, how you take them dry my body.
Is that right?
2 foot of rubber.
You see you? You're too peppery and today I just chose it. Me can just imagine what I got by the end of the week. You go well seasoned.
Never stale, ever fresh.
Trace him, Shabba, trace him.
No, stick you not call my name in your germs, them out.
Hey, Dr. Boy, who you talk to so?
Baby eater, calm your voice when you deal with me.
Shabba, bring your baby, them come and me eat them too.
Me near my picnic, them already and belch away for you.
No, listen, darling. Listen, that over there. It don't like you.
You don't have to like me. Come done, have you like me already?
Tell him, baby.
See, who are you too nasty policeman for one? Wait!
Hello? Hola, me call her. Mad! Mad, your husband!
Oh, Jesus, Ruler.
She's not Ruler.
Let me get the phone background. I want the phone background. Me blow!
No, man, it sound nice like a
What's the phone and move fast?
Hi, Ruler, darling. Yes. No, I saw the bad word on the cable, you
She
know.
asked him about the weather.
No, man, I saw it,
Yeah.
No, sweetheart, I didn't spend any of the money.
Yeah.
Shabada has a friend that works at the cable company. They bridge the line and give us free cable. Yeah.
What you do that for? No, not do that, man.
Oh, it's Ruler, it's Ruler.
Don't call me name over the phone.
Yes! Don't call me name over the phone. Tongue twist. Don't call me name over the phone. The informal business. We bridge the light and we bridge the current and we bridge the cable. Hey, back in the days, Mr. Thief cable too, you know. We used to have a long line run from my adopted family home, go to my family home. Hey, good old days, man. You can't thief cable now. Like everything on satellite and everything Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and them sitting there. Anyways, me tired and I want to go to my bed. So do me a favor, like the video if you like the video, leave a comment if you find something interesting that you want to talk about. Subscribe, click the notification bell so you can be notified. Come back tomorrow, the day after, to watch some nice funny videos. And share the video. Share the video with your friends, your neighbors, but most importantly, share it with your dirty ex. Because by sharing the video with your dirty nasty friends, your ex, you're telling the world, you're putting it out there in the atmosphere that you're a good person. Stay safe. God bless.